We are May 1st, 12:30 p.m. 2018. Doing a sky view, halfway zoom. Seems like only to the east is where we're getting the cloud cover as normal. And the wind is blowing pretty strong. No hummingbirds right now? No? And the sun is at its highest, so let's see what we can take a gander. Alright, let's see, now that we're focused, what is it doing if we put the finger test? Anything around it? Nothing? No, not getting anything. It's pretty clear and windy. All we've got is that right there. Alright everybody, have a good one. Be safe, be good to one another, and peace out.